Hi, writers. Yesterday, we brainstormed and we made a circle map of all the ideas we had. We were pretending that we're the carrots and Jasper wants to eat us. And we need to figure out a way to trick him so he doesn't eat us. So yesterday, I made this circle map with you all. I need you to make sure that you have your circle map today and your paper that looks like this. This was in one of our packet pickups because we're going to be writing today. So today, you're going to pick one of your ideas and we're going to write about it. I'm going to pick an idea, and my challenge for you is to pick a different idea than what I'm picking. I want you to do your own work and use your own imagination. So out of all of these, which I think are all pretty good ideas, I think the best way that I could trick Jasper if I was a carrot is that I would leave out games. Now, because I'm a first grader, I'm not going to say I would leave out games. That doesn't tell me a lot. And on our paper, we actually have quite a bit of room where I could write a sentence or two. So when I'm thinking that I'd leave out games, I think of some of my favorite games, like I love Clue and Life, so I am going to write about those. And I'm going to also write how it would trick him. So I already picked my topic and wrote 2 sentences, and I actually wrote so much that I had to go around and down and fill in the bottom. So I took my topic and I wrote about how I would trick Jasper. I said, every time Jasper comes to the fields, I would bring a game like Life, because that's my favorite game. Jasper would play the game and forget about eating me. So I told you what I was going to do and that he was going to forget about me. So I didn't write an itty-bitty sentence. I made sure to write a nice detailed sentence. I actually wrote 2 detailed sentences, and I stretched out the words as best as I could by myself. So even though our parents are there, because we're in first grade, we need to stretch out the words as best as you can. The first grade teachers love when students just try their best. So when you're writing today, after you're done, I want you to remember to use cups. And we've learned about cups. And I've actually added a picture on our lesson plan where you can review cups and make sure. So C is for a capital letter. U is for understanding. We have to make sure it makes sense, right? P is for punctuation. And S is to make sure that you have spaces between those words. We can't have those words right up on top of each other. Then we don't know where word starts and where it finishes. So let's make sure our sentences have those things. So again, today, the only thing you're doing on this paper is you're writing. Later this week or tomorrow, you're going to be able to do the illustration. Alrighty, have tons of fun, and I know I can't wait, and your teachers can't wait to see what your creative brains come up with.